Hi everybody, I'm Cheryl and this is Curly Moose Crochets. I'm coming to you today from my little crochet corner. Today I'm doing a video that I was tagged by Caroline from For the Love of Crochet to show our crochet craft carts. And that's what I'm going to do today. So first, this is where I sit most of the time to crochet. This is in my bedroom. And I have my chair that I sit in, and I have this nightstand right here. Blah. Let me move this. This is my nightstand. In here, I have all kinds of stuff. There's all kinds of stuff in here. It's a mess. But this is part of my crocheting because I have, post-it notes and pencils and all that kind of stuff in here. And down in the bottom, I have other things. Cough drops and I don't know, some Bible study things are in here as well. And I have my water and my morning devotion book that I do in the morning, some hand cream. So that's not in my cart, all of those things. But I'm going to show you what I have in my cart and how I have it organized. So also, I have this little chair. It's kind of like a footstool. You can't really see it, but I have my laptop on here, and I'll sit here and watch videos on my laptop, and then beyond me over there, I have the TV too. So sometimes I watch TV, and during the commercials, I'll watch YouTube videos on my laptop and go back and forth. So that's what I do, and yeah, this is it. This is where I usually sit to crochet, but I will wheel my cart out into the living room and sit out there, or sometimes I wheel my cart into my craft room and I'll sit at my desk in my craft room and crochet in there. But this is most of the time where I sit in the morning. So I'm going to stop the video, I think, and bring my cart closer. I think that's how I should do it because I don't know if you can see it all so good right here. So I'm going to stop the video and do it closer. Okay, so here's my cart up close. Hopefully you can see it better this way. So I'm going to start at the top and make my way down, and hopefully I don't forget anything. All right, so on the very, very top of my crochet cart, first of all, my crochet cart is from Costco. They had them a while back, and my husband picked it up for me, and, I would have preferred teal, but they didn't have teal. So I got a black one, which is fine. Maybe I'll get another one of these days in a pretty color. On the top of my cart, I have my bag, my organizer bag that has all my crochet hooks in it. I got this on Amazon. It has these clear zippered pouches. I have my really long needles in this one, and there is a tape measure, and then more crochet hooks on this side. In the front here, I have this little manicure set thingy that I have some of my smaller needles in there. And I like this because I can just like flip it open and get what I need out of there. So this works good. I like this. And then, let me see. Let me get up here. Okay, so around here, let me spin it around this way. This is all of my eyes, safety eyes and noses in this container. I like this container because it's tall and it holds a lot, and it's compact, and so it doesn't take up a lot of space. I don't have to stack things on top of it, and have to move them to get to it. So I like that. And then this is just a container, from like it's supposed to be for office supplies or makeup, or came from one of the dollar stores, the 99 only, or maybe Dollar Tree. Not sure. Don't remember. In here I have my, what are they? Pom-pom makers, scissors. I have a glue gun, pencil, some thick and tacky glue, glue sticks, a lighter to melt the backs of the amigurumi eyes. This is a little felting kit I bought to do felting, which I want to do but haven't done yet. And so that's the whole very top part of my cart. And around here, I bought this file box holder, or whatever you call it, from, I think I got it at some little small dollar store. But I think I paid like $3.99 for it. I know I paid $3.99 because the sticker's still on it. And so what I did is I used a screwdriver and got it hot on my stove, and I poked holes through the plastic and hung it on with these hooks. These hooks came with a set of these cups I ordered from Amazon, and so I just used those. And this is pretty like sturdy, so it holds the weight of all of these books. Then on here I have, these are just some row counters that I bought from eBay. And then at the very bottom I have a little pocket organizer, and I hung this on here as well with these hooks. And I just have different things in here. I have this little container with stitch markers. This was supposed to magnet on here. I bought these at the Dollar Tree, and I think the sticky magnet stuff I bought wouldn't stick good on here, so I gave up on that. So they're just in here. Then these are my little finger protectors, some embroidery floss. This is the charger for this, the little flashlight that goes around your neck. For us old blind people, I can't see good. If it's dark, I need lots of light. And let's see. So what I did was I hung everything on one side that, I want hanging down like that. So this side I kept open. This is the open side here. On this shelf I have these. This is the Clorox wipes containers, and I just covered it with some contact paper. And I have polyfill inside of these. See, you can cram quite a bit down in here, and so that's convenient. So I don't have to have the whole big bag of polyfill, drag that around the house with me wherever I'm crocheting. I have two of them. This one I don't have a lid for. Don't know where the lid is. And then this is some yarn. I just have my projects that I'm working on, and I use these bags. I like these bags. They're just shoe bags with a drawstring from Amazon, and they're pretty cheap, and you get a whole bunch of them. So that's what I keep my projects I'm working on, my whips, in these. I like all the cute little project bags that people have, and I do have some cute project bags, And but I like to have them in these clear bags because I can see what's in it. And for me, if I have a whole bunch of bags with things in it and I can't see what's inside of them, you know, it's out of sight, out of mind for me. Won't know what's in them. I'll forget what's in them. And this way, yeah, I can still just, if I'm going to go, to the doctor or go somewhere and bring my crochet with me, I can just get this and shove it down in my cute project bag. And when I get home, I put it back like that. So that's what, these are just different things. My sweater, my daughter's sweater, and another Afghan I'm working on. This right here is some Tunisian crochet hooks that are in here. And that's it. I have this little cup here. These little hooks, these are the little hooks that you can buy to put on your clothes hangers, and then you can hang another hanger, so you could have like two clothes hangers, and they work on here too, so you could hang stuff on those. And that's it. So I really like the little rolling carts. They're really come in handy. And so what I'll do is, wheel it around wherever I'm going. Sometimes I crochet out in my living room, so I'll wheel it out there. And, other times I'll crochet in my craft room, and so I can just, wheel it in there. I also have another cart that I use for the grandkids. I have art supplies on there for my grandkids, Play-Doh and cookie cutters and, kids' scissors, paint, glue, paper, and I'll just wheel that out when they come over and sit at the dining room table and do things with them. And then when we're finished, I can wheel it and put it away. And I like that I can wheel this away too. It's, stick it in a closet when the kids come over so they don't, start getting into all my stuff. So anyway, I really liked the cart, and I can't wait to see what other people have done with their cart. I am going to tag a few people, and feel free, if you see this video, if you would like to show everyone your craft cart or your corner, your crochet space and how you organize it. That'd be awesome. And so I'm going to tag Crochet with Nana Rosanna. I'd like to see how you have your things organized. And Yarny Marnie's Crochet Corner. And Z over at Zelda RJ3. So I will put links to their YouTube channels. And then, of course, you can just search the hashtag and see everyone's videos. All right, great. Bye.